Hey guys, we're back. It's iPhone 14 day. So we have two 14 Pros, just the regular size, not the Max, that I want to do just a quick unboxing. I got the purple and the silver. So let's take a look at the colors. No wrapping on here. Environmental friendly. Just these pull tabs. There is that purple, deep purple. Very nice. It's, different angles depending on how the light hits it. It looks like graphite, but then, you do get a purpley feel to it. So I think this actually looks really nice. I almost went for this color, but I don't know. I know I'm going to throw a case on it and trying to match up the case colors with the purple. I know I'm probably going to get irritated by it, but I don't know. It actually looks really nice. Let's fire it up. Well, that's going. Not really going. I just want to see the screen with that dynamic island. So we'll set that off to the side, and here's the silver. I haven't got a silver phone, I think, since the 10S. So it looks really clean, really white. Then you got the shiny chrome silver. That's probably going to leave a lot of fingerprints, but still pretty. Look how big that camera bump is. Wow. All right. Turn this one on. Again, in the packaging, you just get a USB-C cable to Lightning. Wish it was USB-C to USB-C, but there's always next year. It's always the motto with the iPhone. There's always next year. So bam. Just rocking on that camera bump. That is huge. Definitely gonna need a case to combat that, but man, that screen does look nice. So it's in SOS mode. Let's contact those satellites. So I'll set this up later. Just wanted to, like I said, give you a quick unboxing. There's the colors: silver, and deep purple. Let me know what you guys think. We're going to be coming in with a ton of cases, ton of different accessories. So hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Buck Life. Peace.